Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the Power BI July 2025 update regarding sort for visual calculation. Previously, if you were calculating a running sum or moving average or Pareto style analysis and want to sort the visual line, you had to use the window function and complex DAX expression. This limitation has been addressed in the July 2025 update. Let me switch to the computer to explain you how it works. So let me add a visual. So I'll add a visual line and a stack column chart and increase the height of the visual. Now from the data model as a category, I will use a country on x-axis. Okay, and now on y-axis, if you can see, I have a total sum. So total sales equal to sum of sales. So I'll directly use a total cells on y-axis. Now I will right click on the visual and here you can see the option new visual calculation, and from here I will choose percentage of grand total. I'll click here. So here is the calculation. So I want to create a percentage on the total sales. So I'll click on the total sales, and what will be the my grand total also is a total sales, and this axis will be I'll calculate row wise. Okay, now I'll accept this. So you can see the percentage is calculated. Now I will change the format. If you want, I will say the percentage and here I will use a percentage. Now you can see the percentage. Now actually I want to calculate the running sum for this percentage of grand total. So what I am going to do, I'll again right click here and in new visual calculation, and here you can see the option running sum. I'll click on the running sum, and field which I am going to select is percentage of grand total. Okay, and now I'll accept this calculation, and from here I will move this, actually the percentage of grand total, I will hide this and I will move this running sum to y-axis. As you can see, it is not like that. It is not in the sorting order. I want the line like this because it is a running sum. So earlier we have to use the window function and lot of complex DAX expression. So now this problem has been addressed in the July 2025 Power BI update. So I will click here on the running sum and I will say edit calculation. Okay. So here I'll put a comma and I will use a order by, and within the order by I will say total sales and I want to sort it in descending order. Okay. Now I'll accept this. So since there is some problem, so we'll fix it. Edit calculation, there is one bracket is missing, so I'll close the bracket, and now you can see the total sum is like this, from starting from here to and going up, because it is a sum, running sum for the percentage of grand total. Now you can also reverse actually, but it is, there is no meaning. So if you want to reverse and see if we can reverse, if we use ascending, then what is happening we can see. And you will accept this. So you can see this is the ascending order, but running sum it start from here. So this plus this plus this, so running sum will be always from the below to top. So let me edit again, and here I will say descending. And accept this. And you can also change the format for this. from here, format and percentage running sum, and from here you select a percentage. So now you can see the percentage. So let me go back. So that's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.